All right, what's up, everyone? This is Shane, excited to show you something here I've been working on. Hopefully, I get it right this time. I downloaded OBS, and man, they were not lying about the learning curve. So, you know what they say, third time is the charm. So, let's jump into this. What you see in front of you is a React component that is created utilizing the Datacore plugin for Obsidian. Now, if you're not familiar with Datacore, it is essentially DataView's roided out older brother who is on a revenge pathway, and he is coming to eat your lunch. Just kidding, but it is extremely powerful. So I've created quite a few different things in this, and I've been messing with it for some time, and finally feel I have something worth sharing back with the community. So I wanted to show you what we have here. This is a prompt library for any of your AI models. So what you're looking at here is the component. These are all my favorite prompts we have recently used, as well as all prompts, the table. So what we can do is go ahead and create a prompt. So do test. And what this is going to do is create a new note. Default directory is going to be notes slash prompts. So for tags, you simply can enter it. Notice how it will match tags that you're already using. But if you want to create a new one, simply hit enter. So down here we do have categories. So if you click the drop down, it's going to show you the categories you already have created. Let's say we want to make a new one. We will name this one the test category and create that. Now, say you want to edit your categories. You're going to click this gear icon, and it's going to show you all the categories you have, which you can then go in and edit, delete, or if you simply want to change the color associated with the categories, which you might have seen on the library, you can do that here. So we'll go in, save that. Now it's been updated. So now let's save our prompt. You'll see that down here, and we can click the prompt, uh, and essentially we can add it to our favorites or copy it. By copying it, it's going to automatically add it over with our recently used prompts. So you can keep track of the commonly used ones as well as your favorites on this page. So you'll see that it is going to scroll over so you can have as many as you'd like. And if you'd like to reorder it, simply drag the card in the corner and you'll be able to reorder that and it will save the order for you. So recently used, we went over that and same concept. So you'll have the scroll arrows there. If you go to all prompts and you'd like to filter it, you have this category bar up here, which will automatically filter it by category for you. Um, One thing we haven't touched on is the actual prompt note, which will look something like this and allow you to copy the prompt easily if needed. And going back over to here, the last thing I want to show you is our filters bar up here. So we can filter by any tags, and this will update automatically as you do create new tags. You can filter by multiple tags and simply remove the filters down here. So it does keep your recent searches for you. You can also filter by favorites as well as the date created. So that's pretty much everything here. I will upload the source code and example vault to my GitHub and put that in the description. Looking forward to creating more of these in the future. If you do have any suggestions for something that would be helpful for you, please let me know. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and let me know any feedback you may have. Have a great day.